Today we are visiting a honey processing plant, where raw honey is turned into bottled honey. Inside the factory, raw honey is processed, filtered, and packaged.
Careful with that frame, it's heavy. Got it. Got it. Looks like a good harvest this year. Looks good, fully capped, ready for extraction.
Okay, I'll place it on the conveyor. Make sure the frames are secured before cranking.
We're almost ready for the next batch over here. Check the alignment on this one. The label seems slightly off.
Yes, I see that. Let's adjust the feeder.
freshness. Experience the taste of pure nature with our premium organic honey, gathered sustainably from wildflowers.
Fresh honey is collected from honeycombs with great care. Subscribe for more amazing factory process videos.